most people think mummies, they always think of a mummy, the Lon Chaney, but no, we have quite a few other items and animals and artifacts that are either naturally mummified or we have one that's been recently mummified in the process.
I just think it's cool. I really, I work in the museum industry because I do think history tells you a lot. What a chance to learn from the past into the present to the future with this one. You see older materials, but we also have things that are not all that old. But again, that meeting point between the science and the archaeology and the cultural, I just think it's awesome. I think everybody will enjoy it. The mummification process is either nature, and you have so many obstacles in nature. You've got the high deserts, low deserts, the heat, the cold, bog water, bog mummies and things. So I think all of that adds to the different flavor what you get. And then you have, again, the animals showing you, and then the humans. I just love the weave that it does, I guess, that you go back and forth. You can walk away with a lot more knowledge and understanding, and the care that all these different cultures put towards their mummies. When you put all the sciences together and are able to improve the knowledge base you start with using mummies, that's awesome. I just think that's really kind of cool. So I think that's one huge thing, is the connective tissue between the science and the cultural component that really is something I hope people take away.
This show has a lot of smaller artifacts. As you see behind me, we have quite a few jewelry and things like that are of all of each. And it's a little bit of everything for everyone, we hope.